issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles north of New Buffalo, or 17 nautical miles west of St. Joseph Light, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. A strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, central LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near New Carlisle to New Wanata, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, LaPorte, Gullavoyer Park, Granger, Walkerton, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Kingsford Heights, Wanata, Hamlet, Lakeville, Roseland, Coons Lake, Henna, La Paz, Kingsbury, Indian Village, Tea Garden, and Salem Heights. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 53 and 63, and between mile markers 67 and 79. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark.